Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back again to the garden. I am wanna showing you guys. I purchased 5 more trees for my next place I will stay. I've been gathering tree, guys. If I find any special, I get them. It's like and now it's fall season. I like the color of those leaves. Look at this dogwoods. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. I think I'm putting them inside because it's going to be cold tomorrow. I was gonna repot them, but I think I'm gonna put them inside of my garage. Yep, I'm not gonna bring them nowhere. I'm just gonna bring them inside of my garage. Yes, that's what I got, guys. 5 beautiful trees. I love those leaves. I can wait for next year. God, please keep me alive. I wanna see me when I'm in my entrance, when I'm getting in my entrance, wherever I will end up. I want to have like one fall season. I want to have some beautiful colors. One spring, I want to have beautiful. It's like I want to work between this like full of colors, and then I think there's already going to be pulling out some flowers. Yep, I'm putting them inside before I go work today. I was gonna bring them to my friend's house, but I think it's going to be too cold. Yes, look at those berries. But these berries, yes, I can bring this berry over there because those are like winter. On winter, that's what make them happy. I will bring this one to her house, but those two trees, I will bring them back and I will leave them here. That's what I have so far. I have so many plants, guys. Can't believe I don't have I don't have space to put the plant, but I keep buying things. Say hi to my little munchie. Hi, Winter. That's my little dogs. Right now, my son been begging me to have a dog since I don't have time, and I do not want dogs inside of my house because basically most of the time I'm at work. That means if I have an animal inside, I have to have time to taking care of it. It's no, I can't have the dogs. But I get him this one. I name it Winter. When I have a piece of land, maybe I can have a little dog for him. But now I can't have no dogs. Thank you, friends, for watching. See you for another video in the garden. Have a blessed day.